So here's all the gear, drawn out from yesterday, and welcome to another sunny day in Spain. A bit wet.
The team kind of bum bum. Look what's the arms on me come. Little different side, different fashion. You know? Come and say one thing, don't see if you understand. For one thing, don't see if you understand. One make them a talk about me, ambition. Say one make them a talk about me, ambition. Come and say some of them a ask me where me get it from. Some of them a ask me where me get it from. I told them no, no, it's from creation. I told them no, no, it's from creation. Bam bam, hey yo.
Yeah, no one warned us about this.
Bam bam, dilang. Bam bam, bam bam, dilang. Bam bam, hey. What a bam bam.
Done that before.
Bam bam.
Oh no, I don't like that.
You're gonna have to.
Never
No,
trouble
no, I don't like that.
I'm a lady, I'm
This
not
all
a man. MC is my ambition. I come free nice of Jamaican. So bam bam, tawata bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam. Hey yo, I'm Mr. Wata bam bam. Tell me say wata bam.
Well, awesome.
Sun is shining in the sky. There ain't a cloud in sight. It stopped raining. Everybody's in the lake. And don't you know it's a beautiful new day? Hey, running down the avenue. See how the sun shines brightly in the city. On the streets where once was pitted, Mr. Blue sky is living in the day.
Here we are at Guadalest, Baltic. The rock's very friable. Rescue mission almost died.
Holds falling off, blocks falling off,
Yeah, bushes.
bushes falling off. Don't think the crowd will be here very much longer.
Hey, you with the pretty face, welcome to the human race. A celebration, Mr. Blue Skies.
What does not constitute dinner first? Because it said spaghetti.
Waited for. Oh, Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to wait for so long. Where did we go wrong? Hey there, Mr. Blue, it's a place to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Everybody smiles at you. Hey there, Mr. Blue, it's a place to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Everybody smiles at you.
Casablanca region of Calpe, Spain. We have the black ant, which is the strongest ant of its kind anywhere in the world. Here we can see it is dragging the giant wasp to its nest of doom.